Today, in this video, we are going to compare the military power between USA and Russia. Please share your opinion, comment down below. Global rank, USA global rank 1 and Russia it's 2. Capital, USA Washington DC, similarly Russia Moscow. President, USA Joe Biden, Russia President Vladimir Putin. Population, USA 332.4 million, whereas Russia 146.04 million. GDP nominal. USA $24.79 trillion, whereas Russia $1.71 trillion. GDP per capita. Russia $11,657, but USA $74,725. Total area. Russia 17.13 million kilometer square, whereas USA 9.8 million kilometer square. Nuclear weapons. Russia is about 6,490, USA 6,185. Missile range. USA missile name Titan II and its range is about 15,000 kilometers. Russia missile name RS-28 Sarmat, its range about 18,500 kilometers. Defense budget. USA is about $770 billion, whereas Russia around $64 billion. Armed forces. USA, US Army, Russia named as Russian Ground Force. Founded. USA in 4th June 1775, Russia 1992. Total military. Russia around 30 lakhs 15,000, whereas USA 18 lakhs 32,000. Active military. USA 13 lakhs 19,000, Russia 10 lakhs 15,000. Reserve military. Russia about 20 lakhs, USA around 4 lakhs 42,000. Combat tank. Russia 12,420, USA 8,848. AFV. Russia around 51,500, USA 45,195. IFV. Russia 12,600, but USA 6,724. APC. USA around 19,351, Russia about 13,642. Armored car. USA 73,632, Russia 27,672. MRAP. USA 15,149 plus 8,108 on order, Russia 10,862. Light utility vehicles. USA about 75,225, Russia 28,960. Self-propelled artillery. Russia 6,574, whereas USA 2,407. Field artillery. Russia 7,571, USA 2,837. Total artillery. Russia about 14,145, USA 5,244. Rocket projectors. Russia around 4,760, USA 1,366. Air Force. USA named as US Air Force and Russian named as Russian Air Force. Founded. USA in 18 September 1947, Russia in 1992. Total aircraft. USA 13,971, Russia 4,208. Combat aircraft. USA 2,689, whereas Russia 947. Multi-role aircraft. USA around 1,221 plus 1,784 on order, but Russia 653. Attack aircraft. USA 3,109 and Russia 852. Special machine aircraft. USA 774, Russia 132. Tanker. USA 490 plus 26 on order, whereas Russia 20. AWACS. Russia 41, whereas USA 39. Electronic warfare. USA 19 plus 3 on order, but Russia 7. Reconnaissance aircraft. Russia 130, USA 128. Bomber. USA 158, Russia 135. Trainer aircraft. USA 3,761, Russia 522 plus 70 on order. Transport aircraft. USA 1,271 plus 19 on order, Russia 473. Helicopter. USA 5,463 plus 101 on order. Russia 1,573. Attack helicopter. USA 1,193 whereas Russia 652. UAV. USA about 11,587. Russia 4,052. Airports. USA 13,413. In Russia 1,218. Navy. US named as US Navy. Similarly, Russia named as Russian Navy. Founded. USA in 27 March 1794 and Russia 1992. Naval fleet strength. Russia 625 whereas USA 529. Aircraft carrier. USA 11 plus 10 in planned, Russia 1. Helicopter carrier. USA 9, Russia 0. Landed craft. Russia 58 whereas USA 11. Destroyers. USA 92 and Russia 18. Cruiser. USA 22, Russia 5. Frigates. Russia 13 whereas USA 1. Corvettes. Russia 86, USA 22. Submarine. USA 71 and Russia 70. Ballistic missile submarine. USA 14, Russia 12. Cruise missile submarine. USA 22, Russia 10. Guided missile submarine. USA 4, whereas Russia 0. Special purpose submarine. Russia 8, USA 0. Patrol vessels. Russia 74, whereas USA 10. Mine warfare craft. Russia 49, whereas USA 8. Intercontinental ballistic missile. USA 368, Russia 336. Submarine launched ballistic missile. USA 389, but Russia 180. Merchant marine. USA 3627, whereas Russia 2873. Ports and terminals. USA 35, Russia 8. Labor force. USA 146 lakhs 128,000. Russia 69 lakhs 923,000. Roadway coverage. USA 65 lakhs 86,610 kilometers. Russia 12 lakh 83,387 kilometers. Border coverage. Russia around 22,408 kilometers, whereas USA 12,048 kilometers. Waterway coverage. Russia around 1 lakh 2,000 kilometers, but in USA 41,009 kilometers. Coastal line coverage. Russia 37,653 kilometers and in USA around 19,924 kilometers. Thanks for watching.